Hey there, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me and requesting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can start applying right away, and it's really going to help with your online presence as well as getting more of those organic leads so you don't have to rely on paid ads or paid lead services from places like Angie's and Home Advisor. Nearly 70% of organic leads stem from your website. So it is really important your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. All right, here we are on your website. I love that you have your information right on top. Click to call, making it super easy for your customers to reach you and contact you. That's really, really important. I also like that you have separate pages for every single one of your services. This is also really important. All of these pages need to have original content built around these services and focused on the local buyer intent keywords. You do want to make sure that every single page has their own original content and that you're not going after the same keyword on multiple pages. Otherwise, Google will penalize you for that. So, okay. A little bit of information. You got a large service area, and I notice you have a service area page, but it does not appear, it could be hidden, but it doesn't appear that you actually have service area pages. And I know this is a massive territory, but you really do want pages, at least in the larger communities that you service, that have search volume. That way you can actually be found organically. You can also do regional. So you're doing North Dakota, South Dakota, etc., and having pages for that. You could capitalize on both by doing regional and local keywords because people search differently. And so you definitely want to capitalize on your search volume so you can convert them into customers. Um, so that's going to be really important. Let's see. So websites are ranked not based on appearance, but based on content. Content is key, and you will need a lot of it. You do need more than your competitors, and you need 250 words for every keyword that you're trying to target. That's going to be really, really important. And then those service pages and service area pages, as I mentioned. Let's go ahead and look at your top competitor. Blackburn Basement Systems. They have a decent design. They've got the click to call phone numbers. Looks like they have separate pages for each of their services. Not sure about service areas. Let's take a look. Okay, so they just have a list, and that helps. Looks like they only have 2, 3, 4, 5. They have 5, it looks like 5 or 6 actual service area pages. So listing this out is good. Worst case scenario, but you really should have separate pages for anything with search volume. Good amount of content, interlinking pages. That is helpful with your SEO. Okay. So to be competitive with these guys or even have a chance to outrank them, you definitely have to work on your content and keyword strategy and then support your website with SEO because without it, your website is not going to be found online. We look here, you have a 4.8 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't terrible, but this score is based 100% on your backlinks and referring domains. Not all of these are created equal. Not every link works for every type of business. This is a popularity contest in Google, so although you need a lot of these, you need to stick to the authoritative do follow links directly related to your services. Google only gives you credit for one backlink per referring domain. Anything else is considered spam. And it looks like you have 140 do follows. So you actually only have 140 links supporting your website. You have been indexed for over 700 keywords, and you're getting over 153 people on average to your website, which is very low considering your service area. If we look at your keywords, there's 10 spots per page on Google. You do have a number of keywords on the homepage of Google, but this is a good local one, but most of these are national keywords. So national keywords aren't going to convert into customers for you. You're going to get traffic from people all over the country. Um, having blog articles is important and can add authority and power to your website when done correctly, but this is not being done correctly. Your blog articles should be being used to rank your local keywords, not these national high volume keywords, because most people that land on your site, you're not going to be able to help, and you're going to get those false metrics. So if you actually want customers and you want to convert your visitors into customers, you have to think local or even regional with state keywords. Looking at your competitor, they have even a lower rating, a 2.7 with over 1,000 backlinks, which only proves not all backlinks are good. They have 209 that are do follow, so you would have to beat their 209 in quality as well as quantity. And they've been indexed for over 900 keywords, and they're getting over 388 people to their page, and they don't have as their service area is pretty large as well. So they're missing out on quite a bit. And the last part of this is this Google My Business section. Looks like you have a duplicate listing here. So you're actually going to want to merge these two. You do want to be in the top 3 for your service area and keywords, because 30% of people search in the maps and nowhere else. So if you're not listed in this top 3, you send all your leads to your competitors. Now, in order to get in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important is your citations, the name of your business, address, phone number, website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. So you do need more of those than all of your competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I have provided you today, your website has the opportunity to become #1 across Google for each of your services and service areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you found it helpful and would really love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.